Libra, this is your reading for next 48 hours. We are going to see what's coming towards you and what can you expect to happen. This reading is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. Let's see. You are feeling very stable here. I'm also getting that you could be feeling very alone, but soon you are going to feel stable. It could be your present situation, Libra, that you are feeling left out by someone, or you are having some issues when it comes to your finances, but soon the situation is going to be fixed. I'm getting your energy is going to be stable. Exactly. Someone is going to help you out. I'm also getting that things are going to work out for you. And this is justice. This is your karma, Libra. This has to happen and you have earned this help because of your good karma, I feel. You could be very focused on your work and amazing. We have the Sun card here. So expect, and 10 of Pentacles. Expect a lot of money. Expect amazing next 48 hours, Libra. You are going to hear a news. You are going to be very happy. You are very stable here and you are shining. That's what I'm getting here. You are working so hard and you are going to have a last laugh here. If someone was trying to create obstacles in your path, it could be a work situation that they were trying to keep you stuck or the situation on hold. It could be any situation, love situation, work situation, family matters, anything. You are going to be victorious and I see you getting a last laugh there, but I'm also getting you are going to be a little harsh towards someone, Libra. It could be someone else's energy as well. In some cases that someone else is very rude towards you. Someone else was trying to play mind games with you. You are going to walk away. You are going to give them back. That's what I'm seeing here, Libra. And your wishes are going to be fulfilled. You are very happy here and whatever you want, that is going to happen. So overall, amazing next 48 hours, Libra. No more disappointment. Success is coming towards you. So let's see what this is all about. But I feel you're not going to believe it that you are going to have amazing next 48 hours. You are stable. You are working so hard. You are getting paid. You are receiving a lot of money. You are enjoying with your friends or you are just enjoying your own company, but you are content. You are happy. Your wishes are fulfilled. And I'm also getting here, you are receiving a justice here, Libra. This is your justice. Overall, I'm getting balance here. I'm also getting someone is going to help you, Libra. It could be an angel, it could be a friend, it could be anyone, but you are not expecting this help. Someone is going to be very generous towards you. You may or may not see it, Libra, but someone is going to help you. Things are going to be balanced and overall I'm getting that you are going to be very happy. This could be about family, Libra. You are very happy here. You are at home. Or this could be about a relationship that you are going to be very happy in a relationship. You are taking this relationship one step higher. It could be with a Scorpion. Maybe they are going to express their feelings, but you are very happy here. You are going to spend a good time. You are going to see a change in this person's behavior because here you are feeling that this is a new start, and I'm also sensing a lot of passion here, a new start, and maybe they are going to ask you out, or this could be a new love, Libra, or this could be a new start. Yes, things are not going to be stuck anymore. That's what I'm getting here. You don't have to compromise. You don't have to sacrifice anymore. Okay, so if you're going to meet someone, could be at your workplace or could be on internet, could be online dating site. But you know this person, I feel, because this could be someone from your school or college, whoever this person is. This is someone new. They are coming towards you. They are single and they are seeking a partnership with you, Libra. I'm also getting for some of you that you admire this person a lot. It could be your manager at work. It could be someone at your workplace. Maybe there is an age gap between you guys, and which is why things are stuck. But you are going to change your perspective and you are going to hear a good news. This person is a good news in your life. That's what I'm getting here, and this is definitely someone new, Libra. So let's see. Yes, I'm getting that maybe in a past you were ignoring this person or you were avoiding them, you were acting distant, you were talking very little to this person. Maybe because you were focused on your money or you are already married or in a relationship with someone else, Libra. This could be someone younger to you or their vibe is like that you feel they are immature. See, there is going to be a new start, Libra. I just asked what will be the outcome of this situation. So we have Ace of Pentacles. I'm also getting there could be some outside influences in this connection. If that is not the case, you are holding yourself back because of your past, Libra, that you are just having a hard time in trusting a new person or trusting someone when it comes to love. I'm also getting here that you could be feeling that you should focus on your work and you should take a break when it comes to having a relationship with someone, but I'm getting a part of you feels alone and you are afraid that you don't want to feel that loneliness again. Meaning when you are with someone, still you feel alone, still you feel left out by them. So that hurts, I know, but you are little afraid of that thing. I feel that's for some of you, not for all. I'm getting someone is coming towards you and very abundant person, very stable financially and very confident, very good looking person. Their vibe is very high and I'm getting a very good energy from this person so far, Libra. They are going to bring a lot of happiness in your life. I'm also getting that this person is willing to invest in this connection and you may want to take some time to take this relationship one step higher or to get into a relationship with someone. Just take as it resonates. I'm getting that you could be very focused on your kids if you have a kid, Libra, and this is why you are making them wait, you are holding yourself back. I'm also getting here that you are very stable and you are focused on your work, you are focused on your own stability and family, but this person is a good news. I would repeat, Libra, because I feel that you are holding back your own happiness here. You are not holding back yourself, you are holding back your own happiness here because you are making them wait, but this is someone who can be a real deal, Libra. Here you are very focused on your work. And for those of you who are waiting for money, maybe you are trying to save your money, you are holding yourself back to spend some money because you need it for a particular cause or something. You need it for your kid or for your family, or it could be about any other thing. Yes, you are going to receive that money. And I'm also getting here you are going to be very happy, you are going to get clarity over this situation if this is related to your work or finances. But I'm getting you are very restless here and you are not feeling content in your life, especially when it comes to your heart. So you are putting your entire energy on your work. Yes, emotionally you are closed off, Libra. That's what I'm seeing here, because you have no idea what else is there in your life except work and family. Exactly. I feel a Sagittarius or Virgo is going to approach you. You are very guarded. You could be hurt because of this person. You are very closed off here. You are going to continue your work. You are going to ignore their call. If they are coming towards you to meet you personally, I don't feel that you are going to even look at them. You are very guarded here. You are holding yourself back and you are still holding on to the past here. You are very closed off when it comes to this person. You are going to ghost them. That's what I'm seeing here, Libra. I'm also getting here that yes, this is a very toxic person. Could be possible that you are not talking to two people here. It could be Sag and Capricorn. For others of you, I'm getting there could be a lot of passion. There could be a lot of obsession from your side as well. But right now, I feel this person is obsessed with you because you are not opening up at all. They have a lot of passion for you. This could be a father or mother of your kid. They want to talk to you. They are very attracted towards you. and you are going to talk to them, but at your own convenience, I feel. Yes, you are very silent here, you are very mysterious, and they are going to flirt with you, they are going to act very sweet towards you, Libra. But you still remember how they walked away, how they betrayed you, how they hurt you. There was a lot of drama, and I'm getting ego clashes here. Someone walked away because of drama and arguments. You were stuck to this situation for so long, even after breakup. You were seeking a second chance, or you were seeking their apology, I feel, that they should realize what they have done to you. I'm also getting Libra, the situation will turn in your favor. You will have your peace of mind. I'm getting Scorpio energy here. Yes, strong Scorpio. This could be your past situation, Libra. Maybe you were married to this person, or you were having a kid with this person, but I do see you getting a communication. If you were feeling that they are going to argue with you again, the situation is going to be resolved. But the thing is, they are just going to say sorry for that. They cannot do anything much or anything else to make it up to you. I feel that you are going to talk to them very little. Yes, overall I'm getting that you have been feeling alone or left out by this person. Now you are moving on. Now you are choosing yourself, and if you are wishing for this person to come forward and apologize or try to talk to you, yes, that is going to happen, Libra, but this is up to you whether you want to talk to them or not. Emotionally, you are moving on. That's what I'm saying here. And it's going to be very difficult for this person to find out what exactly you are up to. Yes, you are feeling alone because you loved this person, and now you are keeping your options open. Now you have plans for the future, and you know that there is so much in life. Rather than crying for such a person, I'm also getting here that now you are ready to take action. Take action towards your own happiness. Walk towards your own success. That's what I'm seeing here. You are going to talk to them though, because I do see you talking to them. Overall, I see the success here. You are going to feel victorious, and this is going to be amazing next 48 hours for you. You are free here. You are in your control. You are very stable. I'm also getting, Libra, that if this is about your work, if the situation was stuck, it could be possible that you work overseas or something, or it could be online work or something, but the situation is going to change. You are going to receive some money, and you are going to feel the stability. I'm also getting a vibe of a traveling here. I don't know why. So someone here could be planning a vacation, or you are already on a vacation, but there is going to be a new start, Libra, a new business idea, and things are going to move forward, but something needs to change here. Yes, you are going to give them back if someone is going to create drama in your life, or if someone is going to try to get into an argument with you, because you are pushing this drama away. You are pushing these people away. I'm also getting here that you know how to fight for yourself, how to stand your ground. When it comes to you, you are rejecting people, Libra. You are not interested in these offers. You are getting a lot of success, and things are going to happen your way. This is your wish, Libra. This is your luck. Good luck is coming your way. Success is coming your way. And if someone is trying to create drama, you are saying no to that person. And you are saying no very firmly here. You're not allowing people to bring any kind of negativity in your life, I feel. Yes, good news. And this is the karmic justice, Libra. This is destined to happen. You are going to have this success, but I'm also getting that you were feeling very low. You were feeling betrayed. You were feeling that people have hurt you. People have betrayed you so much. Why did this happen to you? So this is the reason that you are going to receive justice now. Good luck is coming your way. Everything is going to happen as per your wish, Libra. Get ready for this success, this attention, and this good luck. That's what I'm seeing here. Yes, because you have manifested it. So if you are manifesting something, that is going to happen, Libra. Whatever the situation is, I see you very, very happy here, and things are going to work out in your favor. Whatever the situation is, whatever the issue is. Prosperity begins. What did I say? Get ready for a lot of money. Get ready for a lot of attention. I'm also getting a success in business or work, Libra. Even if this is your love situation, I see people trying to talk to you, emotional withdrawal. But when it comes to your love life, especially if this is your past person, you are going to ignore them and trapped in fear. I feel this is your partner's energy, that they are afraid that you have moved on from them. Number one, a new start is coming in your life and you are walking away from toxic people and situations. Memories of love, but someone is missing you, and could be possible for some of you that you guys still think of someone from your past, but you guys are afraid, you guys are not ready to get back into that toxic situation again, because I definitely feel this could be a Sagittarius who was very toxic to you, or could be Aquarius, but someone who did not use filter, someone who was very harsh towards you, very inconsistent person. See, success is coming your way, Libra. You are going to be very, very happy, and you have manifested this start. Hope. Just make a wish, and that is going to happen. Number 7, number 1, number 17, number 8 is very significant for you. And again, I'm seeing the Magician card here. So definitely, this is the power of your manifestation. Guilt. Someone is feeling guilty and they are going to say sorry, but you are not interested anymore. That's what I'm getting here. And if you are going to reject this person, but you are going to miss the past, that yes, the connection was mutual, you still love them, but you feel that this person is toxic, this person cannot stay in your life. Don't feel guilty about that, Libra. Just put yourself first and don't wish bad for anyone. That's enough. Mysticism. Someone here could be a tarot reader, astrologer, and I'm also getting you are feeling very intuitive and expect a miracle, Libra. So definitely something is going to happen. Success is coming your way. You're not expecting it. I'm also getting a lot of money. For others of you who are trying to manifest stuff like related to body, height, weight, your features, anything, I feel that is going to happen. You are going to see some kind of change and miracle here, and you have manifested that. Yes, you're going to be perfect, or I would say you are already perfect, and you are going to feel that the life is perfect now. Everything is perfect now. We have a kiss, we have hurt, wish fulfillment, and the final message, don't act on impulse. So at the bottom we have fear. So someone is afraid, someone is going to make an impulsive move towards you, Libra. That's what I'm seeing here. They are going to make an impulsive move towards you, but they are afraid of getting hurt. They are afraid that you have already moved on, because they have betrayed you, because they have hurt you so much. I don't feel you are going to accept them back in your life. So yes, divine union. Someone is going to make a move. They want to reunite with you, Libra. I'm also getting here that someone new is making a move towards you, and this is going to be the one for you, but you are not ready to get into a relationship. You are not ready to give this person a chance, I would say, but soon you are going to, because there's still a hope. Success is coming your way, but I'm also getting for some of you that your past person is going to approach you. So that's all I have for you, Libra. I hope this reading helped. Thank you so much. Bye bye and take care.